Now we have GPS and can connect it to Strava. I've tried to wear GARD Pro Ultra 3 for a week to show you how it performs in a day-to-day use and what's changed from previous version. Hey, so many people watching my videos, but I have this little number of subscribers, and if you would subscribe, I will appreciate it. It's been 4 days with the watch because I had quite a few activities, and I want to show you updated quick menu where you can see all your activity data, music control, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, stress, and weather. Weather keeps connection all the time. In the previous version, it could lost the connection and your weather won't be updated or it will not show anything at all. This version shows weather always up to date. You can see your alarms, sleep data, and workout records, which is good. Before you could not see a history of your activities on your watch, but now you can. And if you'll open any of those, you'll see more details straight from the watch. Also, you can start stopwatch from here. Just click that play button and it will go. Quick access to timers, and you can edit the order or delete whatever you don't want to see in this quick access menu. For example, I don't want to see cycle tracking, I can just delete it. And if you want to add something after, you can pick what you've deleted before. So one thing I wish they did different this time is automatic brightness adjustments, because you have to adjust it manually all the time. And this menu has a lot of options to add, so it's pretty customizable now. This button, it does one thing, it just restarts the watch. If you'll press and hold it for about 10 seconds, your watch will restart. And an unexpectedly cool feature is shutting down the screen with covering it with your palm. I wish they did different is the straps, because it's not easy to put on your wrist with one hand, and you kind of have to press your hand to your body in order to be able to stick this in, and then you're good. But I found this little strap, which is with the same easy to install kind of hinge. But this strap, first of all, it's so stretchy and it's so gentle to your wrist if you're gonna sleep in this pretty big watch. So, and to put it on your wrist, all you need just do this. Boom. That's so much easier. When I was sleeping with this band, I was like, oh my god, what is squeezing my wrists? So I wasn't like paying attention to it because it was very noticeable. So get the softer strap if you want to wear them 24/7. And yes, as I mentioned before, we can connect this watch to Strava. Just go in the Glory Fit and find third-party apps. Outdoor cycle. And just tap. Okay, GPS is working. Let's see how long it takes for GPS to locate us. That's cold. Come on, GPS. I cannot even start without. No cycling data will be recorded as GPS is not working. Okay, we're gonna wait for GPS. He may take a couple minutes. So let's see. Okay, perfect. What we can see here is speed, heart rate zone, distance in miles, duration, and on the lower screen we can see calories burned, altitude in feet, cumulative gain in feet, and cumulative loss, whatever that means, and duration. What I've noticed is always on doesn't work during workout session. So whenever you turn in your wrist and you cannot see anything on the screen. Whew. Okay, we're done. To stop your training session, you just need to press and hold this middle button. And here we can see some info about the session. Total time, total distance, total calories, average speed. I love that they're showing speed when you exercise. It's actually so convenient. Highest altitude, cumulative gain, I don't know what that means, sorry. And average heart rate. Heart rate zones, it shows you a route. This is amazing. I love that. And if you want to see details, you can go and activity, click sport section, and here you can find your activity. As you can see, even when I was crossing the intersections and like roads, it's tracking it very precisely. During the exercise, you cannot exit to the main screen and use watch because it uses all power to track your activity. Here is a quick comparison to the Apple Watch 122. Okay, looks like I'm jogging right now. Okay, so it came back. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same numbers. They say I fell asleep 1 a.m. even though I was in bed at 12:30 and I was reading a book. And okay, that's pretty precise. I'm surprised with this sleep tracking in this version. Phone calls. I want to show you a little test of it. Hey.
Hey, are you posting a video tonight?
Oh yeah, I do. Can you hear me well?
Oh. Yeah, should I hear you well?
Okay.
Well and clear.
Awesome. I can hear you too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Cool. See you. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.
So phone calls is pretty good here. So you can rely on GPS, you can rely on heart tracking, you can rely on sleep tracking, and you can rely on this bright and crisp screen. Ask questions in the comments below and I'll respond as quick as possible. Thanks and see you in the next one.